Two souls, one mind. The Gemini spirit is a dance of contrasts, a tale told in shifting patterns and endless possibilities. Born between May 21st and June 20th, Gemini is the third sign of the Zodiac, and it carries with it an essence unlike any other. But to understand Gemini, you must first understand the nature of its twins. Gemini is ruled by Mercury, the messenger planet swift, clever, and ever-changing. The twins, Castor and Pollux, symbolize the dual nature of this sign. Two halves that are never truly separate. One moment, Gemini is deeply introspective. The next, they are a whirlwind of conversation, ideas, and connection. What appears to be contradiction is actually the essence of Gemini's existence. The duality is not a weakness, but a remarkable strength, a fluidity that allows them to adapt, learn, and see the world from multiple angles. Flexibility is the heart of Gemini's strength. They can speak to anyone, move between ideas, and connect with others in ways that feel effortless. A Gemini's mind is a labyrinth, constantly shifting, seeking new knowledge, new perspectives. They are both curious and perceptive, masters of communication who can find their way through any social landscape. But this adaptability isn't just for fun. It's their way of navigating a world that is ever-changing, never still. They thrive on variety, constantly seeking the next adventure or conversation that will expand their understanding of the world around them. But duality has its price. For every strength, there is a shadow. Gemini can easily lose themselves in a web of conflicting desires, caught between two paths, two ways of thinking. They may start something with passion, only to leave it unfinished when the next idea beckons. In their search for novelty, they risk leaving depth behind. At their worst, they can become scattered, indecisive, or appear insincere too, caught up in the whirlwind of possibilities to commit to any one direction. Gemini's power lies not in choosing one side, but in embracing both, the calm and the storm, the quiet and loud. They remind us that growth doesn't come from rigidity, but from the willingness to evolve, to be open to every facet of existence, to explore every idea and face every contradiction with a smile. In the world of Gemini, there are no limits. Only endless horizons, endless conversations, and endless possibilities.